Are you not tired of wearing your hair sparse without it being thick and voluminous? Are you not tired of being stuck at same hair length? Are you not tired of having your hair so scanty without volume? Are you not tired of packing your hair on the floor each time you comb your hair? Are you not tired of breakage? Seeing loads of shedded hair on your combs whenever you comb your hair? Are you basically not tired of wearing wigs, trying to cover your hair every time just so people don't know that you have sparse hair? That is why I came to help you on today's video. Not tired of being bald? Your crown section, your hairline, they are bald that you're even ashamed of them. Are you not tired of wearing scarves, covering your hair just so people don't see how messy and how bad your own natural hair is? I'm here to help you, sister. I'm here to show you the way. It will give me so much pleasure when I see your hair thrive, because my hair is flourishing and I would really love your hair to flourish as well. If you're tired of looking out for expensive wigs to cover up your hair, sis, I'm here to help you. You should stop covering up your hair. You should flaunt your natural hair just like me. Be confident in your own God-given hair. To begin today's recipe, just grab a bowl, any bowl you have in your house. If you have shea butter, mango butter, let's make this pomade. Let's make this super hair growth grease, hair grease that can help your hair grow so bushy and healthy. In a bowl, scoop out 2 teaspoons or tablespoons of shea butter, cocoa butter, mango butter, provided they are butters. Next up, get original Vaseline. Just so you know, there are fakes and there are original. This is the one I purchased that I've been using, that is original. I actually purchased this from a baby store. Just look for kiddie store that sell original Vaseline. Ask them to give you 1 jar. So measure out 1 teaspoon into the bowl that you already have your mango butter, shea butter and the likes. Next ingredient is my cloves buds, and I grinded them to powder. Now this is the icing on the cake. This thing you're seeing now is called Indian hemp. I grinded it into powder. Measure out 1 teaspoon. I don't know where you can get that, but just look around, ask around for this. This is the icing on the cake, and your own recipe must have it. Gather all the ingredients together. Pour some water in your pan or your pot, whichever you have. Cover it up and bring to a boil. Once it starts boiling, place your bowl in it. Do not use plastic bowl, do not use rubber bowl, do not use acrylic bowl. Just use either glass or stainless bowls, just so you don't burn your plastics. Put it in the water and allow this to melt. Once you notice that it has melted, just turn off your heat and allow this to cool down a bit before you strain. You don't want to strain this so hot, just so it doesn't burn the plastic that we are going to be pouring this in. Strain. Use your cheesecloth just so you can strain all the herbs. If the particles or the herbs enters, no problem. Now transfer this into a clean jar like so. Allow it to cool down. Do not refrigerate. Sometimes some of you put it in the refrigerator. If you put it in the refrigerator, it's going to go bad very soon. But just leave it in your kitchen cabinet. Allow it to cool down and congeal on its own. Just look how beautiful mine is looking. Use this on your hair and scalp. You heard that right. Use it on your hair and scalp. it is for hair growth. If you want to grow thick bushy hair, listen, if you want to grow really thick and bushy hair, sis, try this out. I am the one giving you, I will guarantee you that this will work. If you must have been trying other DIY recipes and nothing worked for you, try this particular one. If your hair is bald, wherever your hair is bald, apply this on your bald areas, massage it, and then make sure to wash off after 1 week of application, daily application. That is, if you're using it on your bald spots, on the 7th day, ensure you shampoo that area, your bald area that you've been using it daily, just so it doesn't clog your pores. I'm saying this for those of you that have sensitive scalp. You can clog your pores and it becomes a problem. Ensure you shampoo once in a week the bald area that you've been applying it. But if you've been applying it on your hair, just like me, on your hair shaft, no worries, just wash your hair as you would normally wash your hair. If you're the type that wash once a week, twice in a week, I meant every 2 weeks. If you're the type that washes every 2 weeks, I for one, I wash most of the time every 2 weeks. But when I'm choked with time, I can wash once in a month because I don't have sensitive scalp. I can go up to 1 month before washing my hair. But when I have all the time, I wash every 2 weeks. It is very good. Even stretching to 1 month is also good, provided you clean your scalp every 2 weeks with apple cider vinegar mix. You can clean your scalp and go up to 1 month before washing your hair, but don't pass 1 month without washing your hair. That's unhealthy. So if you really want thick hair, I've been there before. My hair was not this thick before. If you watch my previous video, you already know that my hair was not this thick. As we go, my hair keeps on getting thicker and thicker. All I share on this channel are healthy recipes, something that can help you grow really thick and bushy hair, something that can help you grow your hair really fast. Those are what I share on this channel, and things that I'm sure that work, that truly work. That is why most of you come with loads and loads of feedbacks on this channel when I post my videos. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Ensure to share this video, ensure to give us a thumbs up. See you soon. Bye.